Hi guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another JOMSO saree unboxing, and it is a highly requested video. Now anyways, without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. So this is how JOMSO does its packaging. Now I've done a lot of JOMSO unboxing videos. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to give the link in the description box. Now this is what I ordered. It's a pink saree. It's a georgette, very grand saree. First, let's see the blouse fabric. Here it is. It comes in this baby pink color, and the fabric used here is Bengaluru silk. It's a little see-through, so you'll have to get a lining attached while you're getting your blouse stitched. Now the beauty of the blouse is this is a sequence work which they have given in pearl and diamond with like golden embroidery. I'm going to give a very close-up picture of this, guys. And they have given these kind of design, like 4 pieces of the same design, 1 and 2. I think you can get sleeves and neck designs as well. So there is like 4 pieces of this. Now the quality of the pearls and diamond is also good. They have stuck it in a very good glue. So I'm trying to pull this off and nothing came. So you can actually see not even a single beads or it fell off. But I'm not sure after wash what it is going to be like, if it is going to come off or not. For now it really looks good. The best thing is they've provided around 1 meter of fabric for your blouse, so you can like make a crop top with 3/4 sleeve or quarter sleeve out of this. So that's it about the blouse. Now let's come to the saree. So the fabric of the saree is georgette, and it's like plain, and to the bottom they have given this embroidery, pink embroidery detailing. I think it's handwork, and to the bottom it's the same sequence studded diamond and pearl design. This embroidery in golden thread as well. So it's the same design like the blouse, so the weight of it's little heavy. And even in between the embroidery detailing they have given here, they have attached some rhinestones also. If you can see, like this is going to be a very grand saree. So this is the pallu of the saree. It's very heavy, guys. The embroidery they have given, like pura ka pura embroidery kiya hua hai yahan pe, and it is hand embroidered. And again the same detailing, pearl and diamond detailings. तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. And on the other side if you see, इसका finishing भी बहुत ही superb है. Like there is no random threads here and there. Saree is very grand, like in case if you have to attend a wedding or a reception. I think this is one of the best saree I've seen. It's very beautiful. Color भी बहुत ही मस्त है. Not very dark, not very light. It's baby pink color. Now coming to the price, the original price of this was 4,900 rupees and the discounted price is 2,290, which I think is the best price because there's a lot of handwork and sequins and diamond designs in this. So I think it's worth that much, and I would like to rate it 4 out of 5 because I really like the product, the fabric, the embroidery. Again, I would like to deduct 1 because thoda maintenance hai, and I'm not sure ki after wash iska jo pearls hai, even if it is going to fall off or not. Other than that, it is really good. In case if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in the description box. And if you guys are new to my channel and you don't know about JOMSO, let me tell you guys, JOMSO sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear starting from kurtas, gowns, sarees, whatnot. Now placing an order is very easy. You can either go to their jomso.com and place your order, or you can WhatsApp them, and they do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge. Now in case if you receive a defective product, or if you didn't like a product or you want to return it, they have a very easy return policy. Like you'll have to mail them within 7 days of receiving the product, and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.